Hello guys, welcome back to Twing world. So in this tutorial, you're gonna see the design part of COVID-19 live tracker. So if you don't know how to fetch those live data, I have mentioned the card above. You plus see that video and come back to this video. So let's don't waste the time and move on to the video. So I am opening Android Studio and creating a new project. So I am selecting bottom navigation activity. It's not an empty activity, remember that. And changing the application name as COVID tracker and click finish. So Gradle has been built. So let's close all the one. Just right click and close all and go to Java main activity. So you have to delete certain things. Just remove this. Yeah, perfect. Now we have to rename certain things. First go to menu and bottom nav menu XML file. So we have to rename this. So first let us rename home to global. Then change the dashboard to country. And at last change to FAQ. Yeah, perfect. So go to app and right click. So select new vector asset. So here you can see many vector asset icons. See here there are a lot of icons which are provided by Google. So here I am searching something like forum. FORUM. Yeah, I got it. Click OK button and changing this to as FAQ. Click next and finish button. So again go to vector asset. And typing as public, so it will get globe image, and renaming this to as global. So if you need any other kind of icons, you can change as you wish. So go to icon and change those one. Yeah, perfect. So let's close that. So now we have to rename these package names under UI. So just right click this, go to refactor and click rename. I am renaming as country. So package name has been changed. So do this for 3 packages. So here you can see there is an fragment and view model for these 3 packages. So just delete all the view models. Just right click is click delete. So do this for both country and FAQ. And rename those 3 fragments. So first go to country fragment and just remove this. So for the hint you can remove all the red color words, I mean all the errors. So do this for 3. So here let's close all the one. So go to layout files and you have to rename for this. Go to refactor and rename it. I am changing this to fragment country. So do this for both 3. So hope all the one fine. So let's go to global. So just remove this text view and change the constraint to linear layout. So set the orientation as vertical and set the padding as 10 sp. Set the weight sum as 10. Yeah, okay. So inside this you have to do a relative layout. So make this as 0 dp. Sorry, match parent and 0 dp. Oh, okay. So I think 0 dp won't work. So let's change to wrap content. Now close it. So inside the create a weight as 2. So add a text view. So make the width as match parent and height as wrap content. So text will be global covid19. Keep slash in cases so that it will be look like this. And set the text size as, let's say, 30 sp. And change the text alignment to center. So go to click this. Click the text view and search for font family because we have to change the font. Just click the more fonts. So see here you can get many fonts from the Apache license, but I am using Alice. Just add font to project and click OK button. Yeah, perfect. The font has been added in our project. Set the text color as black. So 00 is the black, but we can change this by clicking here. So let's change to violet color. Yeah, perfect. Just close this. So come outside of relative layout. So here you have to create a grid layout. Just type grid layout and set the width as match parent and height as 0 dp. Yeah, it's working. So let's change the wrap content. Oh sorry, before that make the layout weight as 7 and row count as 2. Make the column count as 2 because we are going to use 2 rows and 2 columns. Just close it. So add a cardview. So make this width and height as 0 dp. So add the chord elevation as 8 sp and chord radius as 8 sp. Make the margin as 16 sp. And close it. No, before that make the layout column height as 1 and row height as 1. Yeah, just close it. So inside create one linear layout. Make the width and height as wrap content. Yeah, okay. So next one is, so make the gravity as center and set the orientation as vertical and set the margin as 8 sp. Yeah, perfect. Now close now. So inside this add on text view, set the width as match parent and height as wrap content. Now let's say the text. Let's say the text as cases. Sorry, let's say the active cases. Yeah, okay. No, affected. So let's say the sizes. Let's say 20 sp and font family as allies. Set the text color as 0, black as of now. Just close this. Yeah, okay. So let us just copy this text view and again paste it. Let's change the size as 32 sp. Sorry, 28 sp. Change the text as some number. So this is just a design part. You have to change the text in Java file. So just copy all this, copy on cardview and paste it inside the grid layout 3 times. 3, 4. Yeah, perfect. So see here we have got this layout, but we have to change this color for this card view. Click the first cloud view and there is an attribute like card background color. So just change the card background color violet, somewhat to white color. Yeah, okay. Now change the affected text view color. So just click that color and click that violet. Yeah, okay. So this data, all the numbers should be in red color. Yeah, perfect. So this is the second card view. Like this is an affected card view, but you have to change the rename it. So card background color, let's change to, let's say blue, but you have to click near to white. This is the background color. So inside there is a 2 text view, right? So first one, let's change it and change the affected to death. So similarly we have to change the text color to blue color. Click that blue. Yeah, okay. Drag to topmost. So this is the number, so you have to change this to red color. So see here, this is the card view. You have to color it for 2 more card views. So go to third card view and rename it. So change this as recovered and add card background color. So recovered will be like a green color. So click the green and move somewhat to white color. So it means light green. So the text view should be dark. So go to green and go to topmost. Yeah, perfect. So another one is number, data. So it should be in red color. Wow, perfect. So last but not the least, fourth one is critical. Critical will be somewhat like orange color. So if you are changing any other color, mention that you have to, background should be light and the text view should be in dark mode. Then only it will look like nice. So here click orange and select the topmost. Yeah. So the data should be in red color. Yeah, perfect. So layout is completed. Let's run the program. So see here, this is the output. Here we have the bottom navigation and country and FAQ are there. So global, this is the global, and you have seen that this is a COVID tracker. The toolbar is not hidden, so you want to hide this. So just go to app and go to res folder, values, go to styles.xml file, change this to dark action bar to no action bar. Yeah, okay, now rerun it. So now see this, the COVID tracker is hidden. The toolbar is hidden. So this is the country and FAQ. So hope you know how to make a country. I have mentioned the code above link, check that. And I can mention FAQ in next tutorial. So this is all. If you learn something new, press like button. And if you have any queries or doubts, you can come in comment box and subscribe my channel for new tutorials, new projects, new Android tips. And thank you. Bye bye.